I am sick as a dog today. Like, I've been coughing for the last couple of days, but now I'm proper sick. But one thing I like about being sick is I'm going to lose a lot of weight. So currently I weigh 71. So let's see how this progresses over the next couple of days. She's kicked me out into the spare bedroom, which is fine. But I don't even know what happened. I was fine. I just had a slight cough, and then this morning it got worse. And I think it's probably because I caught a cold somewhere in that period, and my body's just been... I've just been doing my own thing, trying to not get sick. And now I think everything's done. It's just, yeah. So I don't think that I'll be able to go out tonight, or do anything in the garage, not with Lena around. So I'm just stuck in the bedroom. But let's talk to each other.
You don't cut me. No, I don't want my face in it. Yes, ma'am. Eat it all. Yes. What do you say?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, babe.
I want to see a clean bowl.
I'm in prison. I'm in house arrest. It's actually quite nice. Really, really nice. I don't mind this. Room service. Just made me congee. She just gave me a blanket. I really feel like I'm in prison. But it's a good prison. It's a prison that I'd like to be in. I wonder if I can get some ice cream though. Oh. Do you reckon I can sneak past the warden, get some ice cream? I'm sick, but I'm not sick. I'm just like coughing. But it's just crazy that when you wake up, that's when it's the worst. Like this morning, I was like completely coughing and dying. But now I'm okay, which is strange. Maybe it was because I was up late editing videos. I don't know. There we go. We have a blanket.
Oh, hello there. I'm glad to see you. My daddy's Victor Luke and Ooh, yeah. My daddy say hello to my daddy. He's sleepy. My sister's reading a book. My dad, reading bike. Big high toad. A toad like stone. Who's just isn't? I listened. I guess here I'm in the kitchen. That's such a test. You just so this one. Oh, 45, 49, 43, 44. For this. For this. For this. For this. And this. Huh. Baby sitters, buttocks. Just under mum please.
What is it?
Look at my dad.
Oh, yes.
He's just incredible.
Hai chị em, đem hết đồ sang bên kia sắp. Mẹ muốn con Thành bố sẵn này mà hôm nay ngày mai cho mẹ. Được chưa?
Nghe là mẹ đi.
Okay, boo.
Mẹ muốn cho con tốt cho con.
Tao ơi, em toàn đưa lại.
Hai chị em, đồ hai chị em tất hết sang bên kia. Fine, this weekend. Không có nghe rồi.
Em nó có YouTube channel in case mình cần.
So, I've basically done nothing today besides sleep, doom scroll, and coloring pictures with my kids and whatnot. As you can see, they've stuck it on the wall. And it's also 1:20 a.m. at the moment, and I'm not sleepy because I've ruined my sleep schedule, but I am hungry, so. Limbe. Also feeling a little bit peckish. Made some noodles. So find someone that gets hungry on your schedule. I couldn't imagine if I was with anyone where I'd be like, nah, I'm not hungry. Oh, nah, I've already eaten, I'm full. Like, full? Like, I can always eat. Especially if it's like a late night snack or something that you really shouldn't be eating. Like McDonald's, kebabs. And that's what we were gonna get. But I think we were just procrastinating too long, and we just opted for noodles. Well, Lynn opted for noodles. I don't have a choice. I can't go anywhere. So, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. But basically, I've done nothing today besides doom scroll and drain my battery like twice now, and taking a whole bunch of medication, chocolates, and I'm not getting any better. Well, my throat isn't anyway. I'm not cold or anything. I don't have the like sniffles. I've just got this cough that won't go away. Maybe it's COVID. Day 2 of being sick. I feel better, but I still got the cough. And I'm still getting served food. This is congee. I don't know if do you guys have congee? What would congee be translated to? Like soup? Oats? Oats? Oats probably your equivalent to congee. Like warm oats. I think so.
Abra. Got it, can I?
No?
No. Get a Pidgeot. I mean Pidgey. Yeah, Pidgey. Wait, go now.
Abra.
Abra. Vậy nên biết cái nào là buffalo, cái này là buffalo. Buffalo. Yeah. No. That's what I mean. Wiggle it. Polly. Làm như thế này để cho nó có thể làm được. Ow. Ow. Actually. Ain't that right? Is that where you're going in winter? Yes. Wait. Going in is that where going in winter? Go back going in until I'm not. I need taser.
So clearly, I'm not that sick anymore because it's 11 o'clock at night. And as usual, me and Lynn have our cravings. So what we couldn't decide on is what we should get. So we got kebabs. So this is a kebab bill, chips, drink. And then also we got McDonald's. So McDonald's, meal, chips, drink. Like, if you guys aren't doing second dinners, like your own date dinners every single night, then like, why are you guys eating together? But realistically, I still have my cough, and hopefully this doesn't make it worse than what it is. But if it does, then I'll just load myself up with some drugs and some homemade like honey lemon. So, I don't know what she's made, but it definitely fixes my throat. So if I get sick again, I'm just gonna load up with all that, and then we should be good for Monday. So full. Worth it though. Worth it. I wonder what I should eat tomorrow night. Not much choices at night time. Really. Maybe we'll just make dim sims or nuggets out. I don't know, we'll see. Oh my god, I'm a fat ass. Obviously, from all the drugs and medicine I've been taking, I felt a lot better, and we just went back to usual with the kids documenting their activities and their progress with their handstands and whatnot. Everything looked pretty good.
Azania.
And I don't know why, but the kids seem to be super easy when it's just me looking after them. So maybe it's just a dad thing. Also, we found a solution to regrow hair. So instead of going to Turkey, we can probably whip up some of these organic natural wigs for people. So whoever's interested, let me know. And then after this, what we did was the kids' first experience doing teppanyaki. And obviously, me being the best chef. So, this is where we go with catching the food in their mouth, obviously. And did you expect anything else besides success? And that pretty much sums up our day yesterday. So, hope you guys enjoyed that.